All right, I am here today to explain how to find an average. So finding an average is something you do once you have completed your table. So once I've got my data recorded, for me, I recorded foam and I counted the number of bounces each trial. I did a total of 5 trials. To find average, I'm going to add all of my bounce totals up from each trial. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now that you've had a chance to add up, and that's what I did, I added up all of my bounces. This is what I came up with. When I added up all of my bounces, I came up with a total of 23 bounces. Now, my 23 bounces is not my average. I now have to take that total and divide it by the number of trials. What I want you to do now is if you have not added up your bounces yet, I want you to go ahead and do that just for the foam or just for one box. Notice how I didn't do it for the other boxes, but I did it for just my foam. So take a moment to do that. Pause the video. Now, for those of you that have already done that, what you're going to do now is you're going to take your total, and I'm going to take 23, and I'm going to divide it by the number of trials that I did. Some of us said I only bounced the ball twice. Some said 3. For me, I did 5. So I'm going to take 23 and I'm going to divide it by 5. Now, I could do this 2 ways. I can divide it by 5 on my own, or I could divide it by 5 by using a calculator. So for me today, I'm going to divide it by 5. I'm going to take 23 divided by 5.